Hey viewers, today we are going to give you the review about Apple iPhone 12 Pro. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel or don't forget to click the bell icon so that when we're going to upload the videos, you can get them as soon as possible. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. Apple iPhone 12 Pro. In this review, we'll be taking a look at the iPhone 12 Pro, which is arguably the most likely that most who are interested in the photographic capability of their smartphone will have their eye on. It's not the cheapest in the range, nor it is the most expensive while offering flexibility thanks to its triple lens setup. iPhone 12 Pro has 6.1-inch screen, it has a ceramic shield protection and oleophobic coating for better smudge resistance. The screen supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision. You can enjoy high-res HDR content on all known streaming platforms. The Apple iPhone 12 Pro screen also supports true tone adjustments, white color support, and it has the haptic touch feature provided by the Taptic engine. In its essence, the iPhone 12 Pro is the same type of screen used in the iPhone 11 Pro. The screen is slightly larger than this time with a 6.1-inch diagonally, while it's 5-inch on the 11 Pro. So let's take a closer look through its specifications. Colors: silver, graphite, gold, Pacific blue. Display: screen size 6.1 inches, Super Retina XDR OLED.
Memory: RAM 6GB, ROM 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. External memory not support.
Main camera: quad 12MP camera, 26mm wide, dual pixel, 2x optical zoom. Selfie camera: dual 12MP, 23mm wide. Chipset: Apple A14 Bionic 5nm. Weight: 189 grams. Battery: Li-ion 2815 mAh non-removable.
The price of Apple iPhone 12 Pro 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM is $999.
For more reviews of the cell phones, you can stay tuned with us and do subscribe our channel, which is the Mobile Corridor.